We are now T-minus 1 day. We got 1 day left to get this car all ready to go to the Z meet, the Edmonton Z Club show. So maybe I'll show you guys where we're at and what I'm thinking for today. So I guess I got today and tomorrow, but the day's almost over. Finally getting to it today. I've been so busy. So first thing I'm thinking is need to get this stance right. The strut shocks, I don't know, they don't look like they're worn out, but the car sits at like a really weird angle. So I got some coilovers. I'm gonna whip on this thing really quick. When I say really quick, probably not that quick, because I gotta come off of that car to go on there. They're actually veil side coilovers, pretty cool, very cool. And the 2+2s are kind of more of a pain in the butt to do coilovers, because the rear trims, you have to like undo so much more to get the pieces out, but that's okay. That's no problem. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna get to aesthetics today. Gonna get to finishing up the body, get to mounting that spoiler, front bumper, and whatever else we can do. All the pieces right now for the wide body are in my basement, inside. Just so they're out of my way a little bit here. I gotta just cut around and then build up on the inside, finish the outside, and they're done. That sounds really simple. It is not at all that simple. It's a lot of work, but wish me luck. I gotta get working here, and let's go. Let's do this. Yep, 90s veil side coilovers. Come on, focus. Actually, for the skyline, that's why it's cut. And seems if I line up the tops here. Come on. There, line up the tops. I think it's a little shorter. I think that might affect my alignment just a tad, but I'm sure I won't even notice. Alright, it's well past midnight, so I guess this is the end of the day update. Let me show you. We got coilovers on. Still, the wide body is getting worked on. Just not here. That's why it's all off still. Yeah, still all empty in here, yada yada yada. Did the coilovers. Man, what else did I do today? I did not get much done today. Working on other people's stuff sure slows me down. But you know, apparently I gotta pay the bills too. I am so excited for this spoiler. I really wanted to install it today, but I am exhausted. I am so exhausted today. So decided best not to be cutting holes in the hatch when I'm this tired. So I took all the interior stuff, or just the middle interior part that goes under it, out, so I can install it tomorrow, hopefully first thing. But yeah, obviously that needs paint still. And I'll have to give you guys a little update on this paint too. So when I took everything off, I knew that it might, you know, wreck some of the paint. And some places way better than expected. Other places, yeah, it just took the clear coat off. So that's really unfortunate. It's not the biggest deal. This thing's getting painted anyways. I am really happy to see that when this thing was painted, because it was originally black, looks like everywhere they went all the way down to the metal, the sheet metal. So that makes me super, super happy to get a bunch of scratches, you know, where all the cut lines were. But that's okay. It is what it is. Tomorrow, last day. Tomorrow is T-0 because it is the last day to get everything done. It is the day I need to be finished. And I think we're okay. I think this thing will make it. Not done, obviously, but hopefully on the road to make it there. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to make a list, try to get it all done, and I'll take you guys along for the ride, and we will see how it goes. But I'm exhausted. I need beer, so I'm going to walk over to the liquor store, grab some beer, and maybe edit a video, maybe hit the hay and get started, get a good night's sleep to get started tomorrow, because all these like 16 to 18 hour days are killing me. All right. Look at this fitment though. These are actually some of the only wheels I have that are like perfect fitment. I think these are 9s in the back, and actually I could use a little spacer, but they're pretty good. Actually they're really good. I'm a little worried about rubbing actually, because the wheel wells are not, they're not rolled at all. Yeah, these are 938 plus 38, I think, in the rear, maybe plus 35. Fronts are 8s plus 25, so the fronts are like perfect. And I'm so low in the front right now that I have some camber, so I need some plates to fix that if I want to. But honestly, if I put plates in there, it would rub probably pretty bad, so we'll see if I do that or not. Anyways, loving the car. Need a lot of work tomorrow, but I think we're in good shape. We'll see how it goes, and I'll catch you guys then.